right, so we're in the lab today. We are working on a pair of Oreos. I think these came out in 2008. But yeah, full restoration coming soon. Yeah, just wanted to get a quick vid. I've already started cleaning them, but I do have a before shot that'll be in the video. But yeah, we're gonna re-glue the toe cap. Gonna repaint the midsole, deoxidize the soles, and we should be good to go. These are actually not in bad shape for how old they are. And that's the other one over there. Got some of the same issues. But yeah, we're gonna take care of that. So you guys stay tuned for a full restoration on these 2008 Oreo Retro 6s. Stay tuned. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and do a couple deep cleanings. Shoes are in terrible condition as far as dirt wise. It's like a thin layer of dirt over the top. So, we're just gonna do a couple light cleanings here to start it off, and we should be good. Alright, so I always use Rejuvenator in my restorations and cleanings. It just works out best for me. I use Rejuvenator and I use hot water. It seems to break up the dirt pretty well. So that's what I'm doing here. Just scrubbing the uppers. And yeah, this is where we're at. All right, so the next step in the restoration process, I like to go ahead and get the soles kind of back on the road to getting icy. They won't be completely done, but I like to go ahead and get this process started after I've done a couple cleans and I've cleaned the bottom as much as I can. So yeah, I actually use Fave's Soul Sauce. If you're looking for him, he has an Instagram, he has a website. It works out great for me, so that's what I use. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. Going to put some sauce on the bottom, wrap them in the saran wrap, and put them in my light box. So that's where we're at. Finally got the sixes wrapped and the sole sauce is applied to the soles to get them back icy. Got them in my state-of-the-art icebox with ventilation, LED light. I need to wrap it again with aluminum foil, but we're not gonna talk about that. But yeah, this is the process. All right, so I took the Oreo 6s out of the light box, and I was starting to take the paint off of the midsole so that I could repaint it. And if you look here, you can see where the midsole is starting to crumble. And what that is this pair is from 2008. So if you don't wear your shoes for over 10 years, or you have them sitting, you don't wear them for a while, and they got this foam in the midsole, like the threes, sixes, ones. No, not ones, but yeah, threes, sixes. It's a couple of them. They do this, man. I don't know what material it is, but it just starts to crumble. So when I started taking the paint off, the midsole just began to kind of just like eat away. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do this pair. I'll let the customer know. Yeah, man, you gotta wear your kicks, man. Gotta wear them. Definitely gotta wear them. It's disappointing, man. I really wanted to do this pair. I was gonna do some crazy things, but hey, stuff happens. I definitely don't want to be responsible for damaging anybody's sneakers, especially anything this old. So yeah.